Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create multiple folder without coding. Okay guys, so for example, see here I have created one folder. Inside the folder we have to create text folder, text file, text document. This one click. See here we need to give some name, or you can keep it as this. I will give the some name. Then we need to here change the extension BAT, then enter, click S. See now, for example, I want to create at a time A, B, C, D folder. So just right button, edit, here MD space A space B space C space D, save, close. Then double click. See, it is created at a time 4 folders. So this is the main folder. You want to create inside the folder subfolder, we can create at a time like this. Edit this one, same. You have to here give the double code, then slash, can give the whatever the name you want to give the subfolder name, can give. Just I will give the name 1. Give the slash double code, then you have to give the double code, slash, can give the name same you want, double code, slash 1, double code, next double code, slash 1. See, this is the A is the main folder, B is the main folder, C is the main folder, D is the main folder, in subfolder is 1. So then save, close, then double click. See, now it is created A folder, 1 folder. It will create at a time main folder and subfolder. For example, you want to see the example, you want to see the all, you can delete this one. So now double click. See, at a time it will create main folder, subfolder. Like this we can create multiple folders. So for example, you want to create the complete year of months. So you can same here, I will give these names up to December. Just copy, then here just I will remove for your reference. I will remove these things. We can know the easily identify the edit. See here, just remove, paste, save, close, then double click. See, it will created all complete year of months. It will create automatically. It will save a lot of time also. So for example, you want to create at a time month, complete month dates. So here I will remove first, otherwise it will confuse ours. So I will remove, then I will go to Excel sheet. See, I will remove these things also. So I have prepared this. I will create up to 1 month dates. Here I will give this code, like we have to prepare double code month slash double code. For here I will use some easy way, is called select this one, then we have to select date. First select this column, then shift and give the and symbol, then shift and select this column, next give the and symbol, next select shift and select this dash, next select, give the and symbol, next select this column, shift and this column, then enter. So see, this is the main folder is January, next subfolder is 1 January. Like this we have to create like this up to month complete dates. Copy, because it is formalized there. So just give the value, then again copy, then here click, this is the transpose, click, then copy, come to here, just right button click, here paste it. See, here you want to create complete month, dates and month. This is the month, this is the date and month. So save, close it, then double click. See, here it will create month inside the folder, it will create subfolder up to complete month, up to 30 date. Okay guys, like this we can create multiple folders and inside the subfolder also. Okay guys, and one more thing I want to show the shortcut. We can create shortcut Control Shift N. It will create shortcut directory folder, it will create new folder. Like this we can create multiple folders. Inside the multiple folders we can create subfolders. Okay guys, thank you.